First of all, let's start by subscribing. Teddy Girl Group Miao. The cat's crying. Sound will show the chic, lovely duality of the group name. Teddy Girl Group Miao. The cat's cry will show the chic, lovely duality of the group name. A new girl group has recently appeared in the K-pop scene. The group is called Miao. They are gaining a lot of attention with their unique group name and concept that is reminiscent of a cat's cry. Miao is called the Teddy Girl Group, and their charm lies in their duality of being chic and lovely at the same time. In this article, we will take a closer look at Miao's unique group name and the musical direction they pursue. 1. The meaning of the group name, Miao. The group name Miao is derived from the sound of a cat's cry. Cats are known as free and elegant animals, and their meows have the characteristic of giving people friendliness and warmth. Miao, which incorporates these elements into its group name, seeks to express the charm of cats through music and performance. They are artists with a chic yet lovely charm like cats, and they plan to give their fans a special experience. The members of Miao each have different personalities and charms, and this is a great strength in that they can express a variety of musical colors, reflecting the cat's diverse behaviors and personalities. Each member will exude their own unique charm. 2. Harmony of chic and loveliness. The biggest characteristic of Miao is that it has both chic and loveliness. They are a versatile group that can either exude a chic aura or show off a lovely charm, depending on the mood of the song. This duality is evident in their music and performances. Firstly, with a chic image, we plan to show charismatic choreography with strong beats. They will captivate fans with their captivating stage presence and intense visual elements. On the other hand, Lovely Image aims to create an emotional connection with the audience through lovely choreography and soft melodies. This harmonious expression will create Miao's unique charm. 3. Musical direction and concept. Miao will try various genres and maximize the individuality and charm of each member. They plan to create a new style of music by mixing various music genres such as pop, R&B, and hip-hop. In addition, each song will contain the cat's various emotions, which will strengthen communication with fans. Their first album will feature songs that reflect the free-spirited nature of cats, which will provide fans with a new musical experience. Miao wants to express a modern sensibility through the image of a cat, while at the same time conveying a message that the public can relate to. 4. Communication with fans. Miao considers communication with fans very important. They want to create better music and performances through communication with fans, and plan to actively reflect fans' opinions. To this end, we plan to strengthen communication with fans by utilizing various SNS platforms. In addition, we are planning fan meetings and various events to meet fans directly, and through these, we will further strengthen our relationship with fans. Miao is constantly working hard to repay the love of his fans and is ready to meet their expectations. Miao is receiving a lot of attention from people with their unique identity as a Teddy Girl Group, and their group name derived from the sound of a cat's cry. These people, who possess both chicness and loveliness, will communicate with fans through various musical colors and provide new experiences. I look forward to seeing what kind of charm Miao will show in the future, and I hope they become more active. It seems that many people will join this journey that they will create together with their fans, and we hope that Miao's future will become even brighter. Can I ask you to subscribe? I'll try my best. Thank you for subscribing.